Hey guys, it's 6:30 in the morning and it's snowing. It just started probably about 6 o'clock. So, this will be a continuous update because they're calling for like 6 to 12 inches today. So this is at 6:30 a.m. This is what it looks like an hour later. This is 7:30 in the morning. And it is still coming down. And it is cold. Let's see what my thermometer says. Oh gosh, it's freezing, it's freezing, it's freezing. Thermometer says it's 32. There, 32. $10:30. Still snowing.
My snow baby.
This is around 9:45 Wednesday morning, so this is day 2 of snow, and it is still coming down. 12 o'clock noon update. I just swept the porch, the steps off. Ugh, it's cold. Go swimming?